Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I make my own carrot oil to apply on the hair and its benefits. This recipe, it is quite simple. So first, get yourself a couple of medium-sized carrots and grate them. It can be organic if you like, and the carrot oil. I will be using grapeseed oil, which is the best one for my hair, but it can be olive oil, almond oil, whichever your hair likes the best. So to make this oil, you'll have to dehydrate the carrots. So I will be using my Instant Pot. I actually forgot to record the settings, so I'll just show it to you right now. So this is the setting I've used, and I'm gonna leave it at 52 degrees, and you can leave it for 6 or 10 hours. So I will be going for 8 hours and see how they look like afterwards. This process can take a little while, so I left it through the night and it will be ready in the morning. Another option is if you live in a very hot place, you can just leave it outside directly under the sun until it looks like this. Next, add your carrots in an airtight container. I will be using this glass jar and add your chosen oil until you cover all the carrots and give it a shake. Okay, this oil is almost ready. All you have to do now is place your container into a dark and cool place for at least 1 week and shake it every 2 to 3 days. Now after that, all you have to do is sift it through and get all that oil out of the carrot. And now it's finally done. You can use this oil in so many ways on your hair and skin. So for instance, I like to add 3 to 4 drops of rosemary oil into a 30 ml size jar for hair growth. I like to apply it to the ends of my hair and on the roots and on remedies as well. There are so many benefits for you to use this oil that I will be giving you 5 of them for you to know how amazing this oil really is. Okay, so benefit number 1 is helping with hair growth because it contains vitamin A, E and C, and that will help with the blood circulation, making your hair grow faster, especially when you use it with oils such as rosemary oil. So benefit number 2 is helping with damaged hair because it contains vitamin A, also known as retinol. Benefit number 3 is making your hair stronger, all due to the vitamin A, especially if you have a frail hair. Benefit number 4 is preventing split ends and protect against pollution. And finally, benefit number 5 is to make your hair softer and nourished. For that kind of effect, I really recommend you adding 3 to 4 drops of another oil such as rosehip oil, almond oil, coconut oil into a 30 ml bottle with the carrot oil. And if you have itchy scalp or dandruff, you can also add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil into a 30 ml of carrot oil, and that will really help. Of course, there is other ways to make carrot oil, but I do believe doing it this way, it will keep more vitamins in. So stay tuned because on my next video, I will be sharing with you a carrot hair mask. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!
Am I missing out something I don't have? 'Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad.